Hendricks is different because it looks at the whole patient. We're here to provide them with optimal care, and in order to do that, you have to look beyond just what it says on the paper. You have to really relate and get to know that patient.
The leadership is amazing. When I started here, there was probably a third the amount of employees that are here now, and the culture hasn't changed. So as we've grown, the culture remains strong.
It's a place where you really develop a practice and you set up a lifelong career here.
I think the intangible quality here at Hendricks Regional Health is the happiness and job satisfaction across the board, from ancillary staff that you pass in the hall that is smiling and they're enjoying their job, all the way up. Everyone subscribes to the same philosophy that I take a lot of pride in our work.
Hendricks has this sweet spot. It is a large enough organization to have most of the services and specialists that we need as primary care doctors to refer to, but at the same time it's small enough that I know most of the people who work here, and the administration really pays attention to the providers.
We have the ability to provide a high level of care, almost to a tertiary level of care, but in a small enough environment that the patient doesn't get lost in the system. We're more nimble, we can affect change, can control our culture. So I think that we provide a higher level of care and a more home-like environment.
Our patient-centered approach is what makes us stand out from other hospitals. People know just from one experience with the Hendricks office or the hospital that it's a different place and that they're what's most important.
It's more personal care than just a number.
It's great to be part of an organization that has stayed independent despite the major changes in healthcare and have the ability to change, and that's refreshing in today's environment.
It provided an environment for growth and the nuances of being a fresh doctor, starting somewhere, growing a program, and making it a program that we could all be proud of.
Really does feel like a family. Everybody seems to know everybody else very well, and everybody's willing to help everybody else.
Partnering, to me, is the word that really describes the daily culture. I get the opportunity to work in multi-professional groups, in making change.
There is a camaraderie that's unlike any other place I've ever been.
It is a great place to raise your kids. It is a wonderful school system, but we're 20 minutes away from any city thing you want to do. All the restaurants, all the sports, all the arts. So we kind of have the best of both worlds here.
Transitioning to Hendricks has been such a wonderful experience because it supports my values with my family.
It's extremely close to downtown and to the airport. We have lots of nice spaces for families and for kids.
We do several things as it pertains to breast cancer awareness in the area. There are several runs that are sponsored and hosted by American Cancer Society or Making Strides that we are very involved in.
Most people find that they fit in very quickly. It's an area that you can really make your home.
If you want to grow, if you want to be the better part of yourself, and if you want to provide excellent care with the support that you need, there is nowhere else to go.
If you're looking for an environment that is patient-centered, focused on providing the highest quality and safe care for a patient that can be provided, has a family culture, and always striving to be on the front end of technology and changes so that we can always provide the best advanced care, you need to look at Hendricks.
Want to work for an independent, big-minded, swift-moving, collaborative thinking, and patient-focused healthcare system? Begin the conversation at choosehendricks.org.